Yeah, the break was nice today, but unfortunately my allergies are going to act up again tomorrow, but I am prepared and hopefully you are too. We're talking about high winds, blowing dust and sand, and on top of that, a red flag warning in place as well. We're going to break down each one of these just to let you know exactly what to prepare for in those categories. Now for tomorrow, Tuesday afternoon, let's focus on those winds. 50 to 55 mile per hour wind gusts are expected. The time frame from 1 o'clock to your 7 o'clock hour. Before 1 and even after 7, we could still have those strong winds, just not quite as strong as we're going with our peak wind gusts. East, northeast side of town, you'll have the strongest wind gusts, but pretty much all across the area, we're going to be dealing with that wind and blowing dust and sand. With a strong wind warning, winds could cause any structural damage to homes, down tree limbs, and power outages are possible, so just prepare for that. And of course, as we always tell you, to just hide down any outdoor furniture or just bring it inside if you can. Then that blowing dust advisory, it can definitely create a hazardous driving condition, especially for high-profile vehicles. So what can you do? Obviously head out early if you can, but if not, drive slow and just keep your distance from other vehicles in front of you, especially those high-profile vehicles. Now that red flag warning, what does that mean? Well, avoid any burning and using equipment that can create sparks because we have high winds, dry conditions, and warm temperatures. So that could just all cause any fires that develop. It could cause them to spread rapidly, and we're going to continue to track dry conditions for the next several days. Warm temperatures, we're looking at 68, the high for tomorrow. For the Las Cruces area, 65. So Las Cruces area high wind warning and areas of blowing dust will be an issue for you all as well. Dry conditions well in place, which is why they are definitely telling you not to do any outdoor burning, because we're going to continue to track these dry conditions at least up until Saturday. Then our next system will push through Sunday and Monday, but we're just getting a slight chance for some isolated showers in the forecast. Those winds will gradually start to calm down Wednesday, Thursday into your Friday. Then our next storm system will bring that moisture and it's going to kick up our winds again. We're looking at gusts of up to 35 miles per hour. And don't forget, you can always track all the changes in our forecast. We will send those alerts directly to your phone by downloading the ABC7 StormTrack Weather and Traffic app. Right now, winds not quite as strong, 26 miles per hour El Paso, 21 for Las Cruces. Our temperatures are pretty comfortable, 68 and 69 for the Las Cruces area, and 60s pretty much all across the region. Your 7-day forecast, keeping that first alert in place at least for tomorrow. Then look at that, the little leprechaun is dancing because Wednesday it's going to be a nice St. Patrick's Day with temperatures in the upper 60s and winds will calm down. The first day of spring is on Saturday and we're looking at 81, the expected high, with moisture returning for Sunday of this coming weekend. Mark?